Hello and welcome to Jo's Gardening World. In this short video I'm going to show you how I use an electric garden tiller to prepare my garden soil before I plant any vegetables. I found this electric garden tiller very useful. What it does, as you can see, is it does break up the soil and makes it nice and loose and free of any sort of like hard clumps of soil for your vegetables to grow freely. And when you move it forward, it does turn over the soil quite deeply, and then when you actually pull back the tiller, it goes even deeper into the soil. I do highly recommend that you wear glasses before using any electrical garden equipment, and do take care when you're using the garden tiller, making sure that it's free of any trailing wires. I'd appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more gardening tips and advice, please subscribe below and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any further notifications. And thank you very much for watching.